This is the reason why there are women who are loyal to guys who are broke and poor, and they are happy. But there are women who are with these let's call them very rich, wealthy guys, but they are so unhappy. Because a video of mine went viral the other day, and the response that I was getting from men was that you need to make a lot of money in order to attract women, or in order to be respected by women. And it is true to some extent, but I want to talk about a crucial key aspect that most men actually forget in their pursuit of purpose, in their pursuit of getting this bag, which is crucial, and women capitalize on that because men are blind, men are dumb when it comes to these things. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe. Let's jump into it. Guys, most guys, I preach about purpose. Focus on your purpose, chase purpose. Now, there's this trend that has come up of going into monk mode, which is just focus on yourself 100%. And I can admit I am in the monk mode almost finishing 1 year. But there is one key aspect that most guys don't really talk about when they talk about monk mode, and that is the skills of approaching women, talking to women, and all these female nature stuff things. They are just like dirty dishes. So when you go into monk mode without having those skills, once you do your 5 years, say for example 5 years, you make the $1 million that you want. When you get back home, because you will go back home, you'll find those dishes waiting for you. But your mindset has already changed, and now you think, because now I have money, I can attract any woman that I want. But it's not about the end goal, but in the journey. It's in the journey. This is where most guys go wrong. You see, before I went into this monk mode last year, I think it was last year, November or October, I had taken 3 years to improve my game, to improve my reads, to know that, hey, I am that guy. I can get any woman that I want. So I focused on making sure that before I decide to make this money, seriously, I knew, oh, no woman is going to play with me. Because it's easy. Anyone can start a business. It's so easy. But ask a guy who is shy. Go and ask that girl out. Go ask your crush out. No one. Guys, I'm telling you, it's hard. It's hard. Your legs are shaking. But starting a business is easy. So, it's 5 years now, you've already made your $1 million. But you still are not getting the chicks that you want. You're just watching video after video after video of how, don't do this, do this if you don't do this. But in reality, this is just mental masturbation. You're not taking any action. Guys, I can tell you for a fact that once you remove that feeling of insecurity that you don't really know anything about women, once that is gone, you will have the clearest mind. Guys, you know, do you really, have you ever thought about why most guys struggle with fapping, porn, and just overthinking about women? It's the fact that it's the biggest insecurity. That's the biggest insecurity I had. I knew that even if I made $1 million, $1 billion, I became the richest guy in the world, there is no amount of money that is going to actually build my skills in terms of game. In fact, the more you make money, the harder it is for you to build genuine game. Because now you have leverage, you have status, you have these things that are the pillars of attraction But once women come into your life, they find that you are a shitty package. You are advertising yourself as this masculine guy who is strong. But once they come, they find out, oh, he's just an average guy, but oh, he's just been packaged so nicely. This is the reason why there are women who are loyal to guys who are broke and poor. And they are happy. But there are women who are with these, let's call them very rich, wealthy guys. But they are so unhappy because these men don't understand female nature. They don't understand what works with women, what doesn't work with women. And this is why I am here. I'm here to... Once you understand female nature, it unlocks so many rooms in your mind that are filled with judgment and insecurities. Because guys, think about this for a second. If you don't know how to talk to women, or if you're insecure around women, then when you are in the presence of women, you become inhibited. This means that you can't think open-mindedly because there is so much pressure in your head that tells you, oh, you're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do that, you're supposed to do this. But if you already are comfortable with dealing with beautiful women, if you already know how to talk to women like a man, then even if you have the money, it amplifies that personality. Because guys, let me tell you this, I don't think there's anything as hard as building yourself to be the best version of yourself that women actually admire, women actually desire. I'm telling you, it builds your character. It breaks down your entire belief system. And now you forge a new version of yourself. Now, why would a woman not manipulate you? She comes, she's attracted to you because of this persona or image that you present. But when she finds out, oh, this is just a shitty product, why would she manipulate you, use you for your attention, use you for your money, use you for your connections, to further her goals, to get the man that she wants? Because clearly you are not the guy that she wants. Guys, this is why so many rich men get cheated on, because they think, oh, if I buy her this iPhone, or if I buy her this car or this wig, she's going to be happy. But women don't want these things. Women want the things that money can't buy, and that is quality over quantity. Think about it. If you are a guy who has all this money and then you are stripped of everything, what do you have to offer? Why would a woman want to be with you? 100%. Ask yourself this. Why would a woman want to be with you if everything has been stripped off? All you have is you. No money, no status, nothing. Will any woman be attracted to you? Will she? And this is why it is crucial. If you are going into monk mode, set aside time, go out on dates, learn how to talk to women, so that you free up your mind. So much of your mind is insecurities and beliefs, that self-limiting beliefs. I know I have them, so many. Every day I keep on finding, oh, so this is what is limiting me. This is what is limiting me. It's insecurities, the fear of judgment, knowing that, oh, if I do this, she's going to think worse of me, he's going to think worse of me. But guys, if you put yourself out there, if you learn how to talk to women, if you understand female nature, these things will just disappear. Because it takes courage to approach a woman. It takes zero facts to approach women and get rejected in public, because that is humiliation. Guys, I saw a post the other day that was saying the biggest fear humans have is public humiliation. Now, if you overcome the biggest fear most humans have, what is now your limit. You have unlimited potential just because you don't care what people think. So if you are going into monk mode just to make money to attract women, I feel pity for you, because I know you'll suffer. It's not easy. It's not easy. This is the game for the survival for the fittest. And it's the guys who have this mindset. They know, okay, when it's time to get the money, I am getting the money because I want my freedom. Once you get the freedom, then of course you can do anything you want. But once you get the freedom and then start going back down to collect the things that you left behind, it's not the best. It's not the best way, actually. 100%. So the point of this video is to tell you that women will manipulate you whether you have money or not. It's better if you have nothing, because what is she going to manipulate you for? If you have nothing and women still want you, this is a very, very good, clear indication that you are a desirable guy. And this is what I did. I had nothing to lose. I was broke. I didn't have anything. I was not taking women on dates. But I still was getting some action. Women were still drawn to me. And this was the external validation that I wanted. It was the proof. So it was the proof that I wanted. And once I got that feeling, guys, I'm telling you, you just need one woman to give you that feeling, and you now know what that feeling feels like. You'll never need anyone to give you that feeling, because now it's in you. You've already felt it. Just like success, you just need one success. That's it. Then everything in your life, even if you fail, you still have the feeling of success. So you know, hey, I've already done this before. I can do it, no matter how many times you lose. Guys, this is the reality. Women will manipulate you. It's either you be very, very aware and understand female nature. That way, when you are used for your money or attention, you don't become emotional. You just know, oh, yeah, that happens. It's normal. When you get cheated on, oh, that's normal. Why? So you just look at, oh, so why was I cheated on? Why did she cheat on me? Is it something that I did? Or, you know, you can now analyze these things in a logical sense. Otherwise, you'll just be the little kid with a lot of money who does not understand the world. Yeah, sure, you can make some deals here and there. So what? Anyone can do that. But not anyone can face their biggest insecurities head on and overcome them. Not anybody, just strong men. This is how strong men are made. So that means if money is your biggest insecurity, yeah, sure, chase your money. That means all these things that in your priorities, well, the biggest priorities you put it as the thing that gives you the most pain. So if you don't feel that much pain, it's not that big a deal. But for me, I know I conquered the thing that was giving me the most psychological pain. And now I have all this room to imagine myself and create the biggest, best version of myself. Check the links in the description for one-on-one coaching. It's very expensive, so it's not for the easy people. That is the reality. That is the reality, my brothers. So that concludes my video. If you got value from today's video, like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video.